Zury, why are you slaying me mind, body, spirit, and soul right now? I can't with y'all. I cannot take y'all no more. I'm putting y'all on alert. Y'all better calm down. Y'all better calm down because y'all just coming with hitter after hitter and y'all need to chill. Okay? Because our pockets need a break. These girls on my YouTube channel, they can't take me doing much more of this slaying. They getting tired of me slaying. So come on over here, Zury, and sit down. Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. This video is sponsored by Zury Hollywood. Thank you so much, Zury, for sponsoring this video. Now let's jump right into this new synthetic wig. Alright you guys, before we get started, if you want to know more about this unit that I am rocking right now, I do have a review up on this wig on my channel. I will leave a link up here somewhere so you can click that and check out this unit. But before you do, make sure you finish watching this video. Alright you guys, today's video is a part of the Prime collection for Zury. It's a human hair natural mix, and so that means that there are human hair fibers as well as synthetic fibers on this unit. You guys, so this is Miss Melody. I think she has the perfect name. This wig is like music to my ears. It's like a beautiful little melody. I love this wig. I love it in this color. I will say it time and time again. When you are going for bold color, beautiful color, show-stopping, eye-catching, stop every single person that sees you in their tracks, you want Zury Sis Hollywood hair, because this hair is a showstopper, okay? This is the type of hair that steals my heart. Be still, my beating heart, because it's about to beat right out of my chest. I love this wig, you guys. Like, from the minute I opened the pack, the wig was matching the daggone packaging, y'all. Like, it was matching my lipstick, y'all, and I did not plan this. I did not plan this. This wig has a beautiful blend of colors. It has this dark root It has a really beautiful deep purple, and then it flows down into a soft pink, and at the bottom it's an even lighter pink on the longer pieces. Now, what I will say about the texture of this wig, it's an interesting texture. I wouldn't necessarily call it yucky, but I wouldn't call it silky either. This texture is very different to me. It's not something that I'm really used to on, you know, wigs. I don't know what you would call it. It doesn't feel like relaxed hair. It doesn't feel like flat ironed black girl hair. It doesn't feel yucky. It's a texture that I'm not quite used to. So maybe Zury is, you know, trying out something different. I will say the ends feel very dry, and they do feel like they will absolutely tangle. Shedding, the wig is shedding, but only seems like the pink color is shedding, which is at the ends. So I don't know where that's coming from, but tangling, I already told you about that. I did cut some hair out of the part. So this is how much hair I cut out of the part. I do not tweeze my parts. I don't pluck my parts. I just go in, part a little bit of hair out, and cut the hair from out of the part. Now, when you do that, be very careful, because your tracks start very close to the parting space, and you don't want to expose your tracks by cutting out, you know, the hair. It's not worth it for that. There are filler hairs in this area, so there is some bulk and chunkiness up here. I don't mind it though. It doesn't seem to be too much or too ridiculous that I can't work with it. And I'm just loving it. I'm loving the bang. I feel like the bang is bomb. I'm loving this side swoop over here. It's giving me all the drama that I need in my life. The color is just what's taking the cake for me. Like, if this wig wasn't in this color, I probably wouldn't be as impressed. But this color on my skin tone, and I feel like on so many women of color, our skin tone, like, this color is just giving me everything that I need and more. Like, my nails are purple, my lips are purple, my hair is purple. Don't get much better than this, y'all. Like, I feel like this is just, it's a look, it's a vibe, and I need you to get into it. I need you to get into it right now. Y'all, I love it. Stay tuned for the slow-mos. I'm done. That's it. It's over.